We caught a seagull. Oh, look at he's trying to bite Daddy.
That's one angry seagull. It better not be a female. We could have hooked her eggs.
Look.
It's trying to lick. It's licking over the head.
Daddy's trying to save the seagull. Do you want a knife, Joe? Daddy's trying to.
And don't even think about using that knife trying to cut his
No. He's trying to get the.
I'm talking the what?
Hold on.
Can I go over and see it?
Hold on.
Can I go over and see it?
Here.
Daddy?
Here, Joe.
Daddy?
What do you want me to do? Okay, Daddy's saving the seagull. Careful, there's a knife here.
You'll have to save that film for Tunda.
Okay. We'll save that for Tunda.
What?
You want me to hold that, Joe? All right, we got to make sure he's not all caught.
And can we give him that little fish after?
As a present?
As some food. We might want to give it to him as some food.
You want to just cut that close? Do you want me to just cut it close to his leg? Here, I'll get it. If you hold it.
Don't lose the popping fork.
Don't worry, I won't.
Okay, Quinny, Daddy's going to let the birdie go. Hold on, stay back. Come back, Quinn. Quinny, come back here by me.
I put a minnow there from the first employee tried to eat.
Oh, that's a nice gift to him. Okay.
I gave him a little minnow.
All right, now we're going to set him free. That was nice of Dad.
Yeah, as much as I hate seagulls.
There you go. There he goes.
Does he still have line on him, or did he?
No.
I got it off.
All right. He's flying kind of funny.
Well, he was wrapped up there, so he's...
Okay.
He might be cut.
Here he is.
I don't think so, though.
Daddy, the seagull saver.
What are you really doing?
I'm taking a video of Daddy.
Hey, cut this.
Let's see. Oh, right. He forgot to take it.